Okay, how to use your protractor. Normally these are clear so you can place them over objects. You may fold yours either in half or however you would like. When you use a protractor, you measure from the center and you put one edge along the 0 line, and then your angle is going to be in degrees, whichever it is. This, if you're starting from here and going this way, you count this way. If you're measuring this other way, you're going to count that way. So, in this case, I'm not going to count this very tippy top part, but I'm going to put this here. I'm going to line it up with the 0, and then I can count that it is, here, let me try to move the camera. So you would count, and this is paper, so you can actually mark it. You would count how many it is. I know it's between 10 and 20. One thing I can do though also, because it's paper, is I can hold it up to the light. And I can place it behind, and I can use the shadows. And line that up with the center. And I'm going to use this. And I can see that I am 12 degrees because I've got two little lines, okay? So 10 plus two little lines would be 12 degrees, okay? Now, when you measure your catapult, we've got a problem because this sticks out, okay? So one thing you can do is you can slide this down and keep sliding it down, okay? Be careful that you don't have the rubber band underneath your popsicle sticks. Otherwise, that's going to create a higher angle than your catapult really is. So, I line the bottom one up. I've got the center lined up, and I'm at 10 degrees, okay? And that's his first one. You might get a different number, but that's how you're going to use your